Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I am going to show you how to uninstall a program on your MacBook using two simple methods. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, I'm gonna talk about the method 1. We're gonna uninstall the applications from our Finder folder. Normally click on the Finder on the bottom. And now, normally you have to click on these applications from the left sidebar. And here you will see all of the applications of your MacBook. Now find the app you want to uninstall. For example, I want to uninstall Mozilla Firefox web browser. Just normally drag that app into the trash, or you can right click on it and select Move to Trash. And finally, you have to go to the trash again and click on this empty button to make the trash empty. That's it. You have successfully uninstalled Mozilla Firefox from your MacBook. Now I'm going to talk about the method 2. Actually, some apps comes with its inbuilt uninstall tool. For example, let's talk about the app iStarts menu. So we cannot uninstall it without entering on it. So I'm gonna open it first, and then normally I'm choosing these iStart menus from the top left corner of my screen, and here I'm getting an option uninstall. Normally I'm gonna click on it, and normally if I click on this uninstall button, the application is going to be uninstalled. But this option is only available for limited apps. So the first method is more effective than it. You can choose one of them that suits for you. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to uninstall apps on your MacBook easily. If this video helped, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.